Are you looking for an innovative product for your sales network? This video offers a fantastic opportunity for your business. Tell us that this is not true. The number one concern of today is living in a sanitized environment, free of germs and bacteria. To achieve this, steam and vacuum is the ideal solution and is already being used in many countries. But in others like your own, it is only used in 5% of cases. It's practically an untapped market. Moreover, the few products available on the market are old and outdated, so you can offer your customers something truly innovative. What exactly? Advanced steam machines designed by TPA. For domestic, professional, and industrial use. Here are two key features of these products. They combine steam cleaning and vacuum suction at the same time. The first sanitizes, the second eliminates dirt. Internally, UVC rays bombard the residual water, reducing the bacterial load to zero and deactivating viruses. TPA is the only product on the market able to meet the needs that has now become global. Sanitization, without using chemical products. Well, with over 30 years of experience in the industrial sector and products sold in over 60 countries, TPA has decided to increase their distribution worldwide for domestic, professional, and industrial applications. For this reason, TPA is currently looking for a distribution partner in your country too. What will you get? A new sales segment. Thanks to a never previously released product, you will provide the long-awaited solution for which demand is very strong and will be even stronger in the near future. Become a TPA distributor and get exclusivity in your country. We will provide you with our products, our innovative technology, and all the marketing support you need to sell them. Contact us now to submit your application. TPA vaporizes dirt and sanitizes homes.